Hello everyone. After understanding the volume and surface area of cube and cuboid in our previous videos and solving a few problems on them, in this video we will see the volume and surface area of a cylinder. Don't forget to find Grasp and Learn on YouTube, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get updated on many videos where many difficult concepts are explained and solved easily. Let us first understand the three-dimensional cylinder as a shape. It is obtained when a rectangle is rolled over along its length or its breadth, and it has a circular top and a circular base. We can visualize this here. A rectangle with L as its length and B as its breadth is rolled over along its length to form a cylinder. However, for a cylinder, this breadth B is termed as the height, which usually is denoted as h. So for a cylinder, we have a top and a bottom circular base and a curved surface area in between. First, calculating the total surface area of the cylinder. As we saw earlier, the cylinder consists of two circular bases, one at the top and one at the bottom, and a curved surface area formed using a rectangle. So the total surface area of the cylinder is nothing but the addition of the areas of all these three surfaces. We know area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So for the top and the bottom circular bases, we get pi r square plus pi r square. And for the rectangle, we know that area is equal to length into breadth. Here the rectangle is rolled over along its length, which is equal to the perimeter or the circumference of the circular base. Thus the length becomes equal to 2 pi r, which is nothing but the circumference of the circular base. And the breadth here is termed as the height of the cylinder, which is h. So the area of the curved surface becomes 2 pi r into h. When we add all these three areas and take 2 pi r common, we obtain 2 pi r into the bracket r plus h square units. Since we are calculating the area, square units is used here. Sometimes calculation of surface area requires calculation with only one circular base or top. As shown in the figure, the top circle is missing. So the surface area only includes the curved surface and one circular base. That is pi r square for the circular base and 2 pi rh for the curved surface. Taking out pi r common, we obtain pi r into the bracket r plus 2h square units. This is the surface area when we have only one, either the top or the bottom base and the curved surface area. Now only curved surface area is calculated when both top and bottom circles are missing. In that case, the curved surface area, as we saw earlier, is the area of the rectangle with length equal to 2 pi r and breadth is equals to height, giving us 2 pi rh square units. Lastly, volume of a cylinder is calculated when we need to find the capacity of that particular object, like how much drink the can contains or how much coffee can be filled in the mug, etc. We need to calculate the volume in case of such situations. For a cylindrical shape, volume can be calculated as area of the base multiplied with the height, that is pi r square into h. This gives us the capacity of the cylinder. Thus, volume of cylinder would be equal to pi r square h cubic units. Remember, for volume we always use cubic units. We hope you have understood this, how to calculate the volume, the total surface area and the curved surface area of a cylinder. In our further videos, we will solve a few problems where we apply these formulas. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get updated on such videos. Thank you.